Flying drones properly needs a little bit of experience, hence trying your hands on a less expensive drone is a viable choice. Thus, we have created a list of the best drones under $50 that you can buy at the moment. In case you need any kind of advice about the purchase, our detailed buying guide will be good enough to assist you with this purchase. Number 1. Potensic Upgraded A20 Mini Drone. Potensic is one of the good brands that offers a decent quality of drones, especially the small ones that are meant for indoor fun. The color scheme and the build quality of both the drone and remote seem to be good enough to be handled by any kid. Also, the size is pretty tiny, so flying indoors is not a big deal. On a single battery, it can fly for about 6 minutes. However, if you choose to fly it on higher speeds using the adjustable 3-speed mode, the flying time may vary. On the other hand, it is pretty agile and easy to operate. In addition, your kid won't face any issues while flying this drone because of some helping features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and much more. Also, you get a warranty of 12 months on this product. Number 2. Q9s RC Drones for Kids. Q9s RC Drones for Kids. Q9s offers a high-quality drone with 4 propellers, which contain bright LEDs to entertain your kids while the drone is flying. You can even select among the 3 lighting modes for more fun. These 4 propellers are made of sturdy plastic, which also act as guards to prevent injuries to your kids while spinning them. Moreover, this plastic material makes sure the drone won't be damaged even after multiple falls. This drone works on 2 batteries and lets your kids fly the drone for 13 to 16 minutes each time. You control the direction and speed of the drone using the remote control. There are 3 speed settings, which you can choose depending on the area you are flying the drone. 3 lighting modes for vivid colors. Made of high-quality ABS material to withstand numerous falls. The drone automatically flies mid-air, so you don't have to set the height. Features 360 degrees flips and rotations to enhance the flying experience for your kids. The batteries let the drone run continuously for up to 16 minutes. There is a return button on the remotes, which gets back the drone to you no matter how distant it is. You get a charging cable to recharge the lithium batteries. Number 3. Cheerwing Syma Quadcopter Drone. Cheerwing Store is one of the most reliable brands when it comes to affordable and advanced drones. This drone can be used both indoors and outdoors as per your requirements. This model is an upgraded version with advanced 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. So, you can take better aerial photos as well as videos. It comes with a real-time FPV transmission which lets you check the video through smartphone app. It features different speed modes, 3D flips and 2.4 GHz remote control system. This drone is suitable for both kids and beginners to pursue their interests. It has inbuilt gravity sensor which lets you fly the drone without touching the mobile screen. Because of ABS plastic material construction and protection propeller guards, this drone is durable and can withstand tough weather conditions. Number 4. SANROCK Drone for Kids with Camera. For the videographer out there looking for a camera drone, SANROCK has a pretty good deal for you for an amazingly affordable price. As the main attraction of this drone is its camera, you can shoot some highly creative aerial footage in 720p HD resolution at 30 frames per second from its camera. In addition, the 90 degrees rotating mechanism lets you shoot what's underneath it as well as in the front. However, it affects the battery life as it can fly for only 5 to 6 minutes on one battery. Apart from that, it also offers direct FPV transmission on your mobile phone, which is attachable to the remote. On the other hand, it gets all the assistive features like altitude hold mode, one-key takeoff/land, emergency stop, and headless mode for a better flying experience. Even you can use your mobile phone as a controller using the gyro sensors with its gravity induction mode. Number 5. Hand-operated drones. Are you looking for a toy drone that can keep your kid busy playing with? Well, this hand-controlled Force1 Scoot drone will make him run around with it. As the name suggests, it does not come with any kind of remote controller. Apart from that, the small UFO kind of drone has several infrared sensors that detect your hand coming nearby and makes it move away from it. In this way, you can control it with your hand movements and play with it for almost 8 minutes. However, it takes 50 minutes to charge up again. To start flying this drone, just toss it gently in the air, and it will start hovering around you. The outer shell provides good protection to the propellers as well as to other objects in your home. Number 6. Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Nano RC Drone. Next here on the list, we have another mini drone from Stone that is the Stone HS190, which comes in a very compact and foldable design, which makes it suitable to carry. The whole drone becomes so compact after folding that it fits in the small compartment given on its remote. Hence, it is pretty easy to carry along with you on picnics. But, due to its small design, the battery capacity is low, and it can fly for only 5 to 7 minutes on a single charge. However, for those 5 minutes, you can make it hover on a fixed altitude, and have fun with it. Apart from that, performing tricks like 360-degree circle can be easily done. In addition, it comes with all the beginner-friendly features like headless mode, 1-key return, 1-key takeoff/land as well. Number 7. TOMZON Mini RC Drone for Kids. TOMZON is yet another great option for people who are looking for an affordable and beginner-friendly drone choice. It has a tiny, colorful, and beautiful design which makes it pretty cool to carry along. The bright LED lights change into different colors. It comes with an ergonomically shaped remote control. Be it a kid or beginner, anyone can use it as this drone comes with easy controls. This drone supports 4 different oriented flips that include right flip, forward flip, back flip, and left flip. For safety purposes, it is equipped with emergency stop button. Number 8. Force1 UFO 4000 LED Mini Drone. As we have already reviewed one toy drone from Force1, this one is from the same brand but has much more to offer for a similar price. This mini drone can be a nice gift as it comes with some flashy bright LED lights in its propeller guards that anyone would love. Moreover, this one is best suitable for kids because of its durable build and beginner-friendly features like 1-button lift/land, headless mode, altitude hold, and much more. In addition, it has a decent battery capacity that delivers a total of 18 minutes of flying time. Moreover, it is super stable, no matter where you fly it. In addition, it can perform some 360 degrees mini flips and has 2 speed modes as well for a more joyful experience.